Hi, welcome to Zimstech Media. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. In today's news, a massive accident involving a bus and a haulage truck occurred at Buffalo Downs near Karoi, with many feared dead. More investigations are being conducted on the cause of the accident and the actual number of the ones feared dead, together with their identities. In other news, the Zimbabwe Republic Police is investigating a mine shaft which was found with 7 bodies. It is said that the mine excavator unearthed bones, torn clothes and black plastic bags buried 30 meters deep in Mashenaland Central. Authorities recovered 10 pairs of trousers with bones inside, suggesting bodies were dumped intact. It is again said that the bones are lost shape due to decomposition. Thank you for staying tuned. Once again, if you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news.